I started to study in shul from the first grade. And I remember my first time that I came the first day to shul, and all the class was pray shachrit, and I look for all the children and understand what they do. And the children understand say to me that we pray shachrit. And I don't know what to do, and slowly I started and asked what is it, and very חברתי לזה. And after the study in Lud, I came to here in the 9th grade in TED, and here it was my really first time that I can ask on Yiddishkeit and for Shabbat, and it was my first time that I really feel what is it Shabbat, and Shabbat comes when you go to Bnei Brak, and this was my first time that I see what is really Shabbat, and that all the people would sit together and don't have television or the computer, nothing, only sit all the family and eat together and say the Dvar Torah and Parashat Shavua, and I take it to my family, and I come back to my family. And I want to tell Parashat Shavua, and I start and Mishavua Shavua it's going, and I tell it more beautiful. And one day, my father, when I started to save Shabbat, and I asked what I need to do and how I can save it, I have full of push of my counselors and for my principal and from my rabbis, and today when I ever ask something, I have very good contact with my principal and the teacher and my rabbis that sit here, and all the questions I ask him, and they very help me, and I have the chance in my life because of shul. Today when my parents are Shabbat in my family was changed today because my father are feeling that how it can be that my little daughter was say Dvar Torah and I don't know about what she's talking. So my father have a boyfriend, and she asked him religious, and I asked him to tell us Parashat Shavua that he can come back Shabbat and tell us Parashat Shavua. And once when I only started going with the skirt, my mother called me and asked when I can buy a skirt, and I wasn't shocked. What, you skirt? Why? No, a skirt I need. Okay, so she asked if she can buy in Fox, and I said no, I don't think so. And this evening she come back with 4 skirts and said 2 for you and 2 for me. I wasn't shocked, really, yes. And after it one shocked. And once in Motzei Shabbat, we had the small plots in Shabbat when my mother understands that she can't heat the food on the microgal on the gas. She understands that we need to use the plat to Shabbat, and we have very small plat. So one Motzei Shabbat, my father and mother go to shopping, and my mother come back with the big box and ask what is it, and she said it's the big plate of Shabbat. and I asked my mother, don't check off the light in kitchen. And once I wake up in the morning in Shabbat, and I ask why you check off the light, and she asked, בטח בטעות, or your father, and then she said, okay, it's not going continue like this. We buy Shon Shabbat. We buy Shon Shabbat, and today we really have Shon Shabbat, and אפילו בלי זה my mother don't check off the light, and my mother today I know because look at me, my mother start only going צנוע, and my mother going with skirt in Shabbat in events, and I remember that I asked why, and she tell me about you, and when I was in 9th grade class, we hear about the Biur Chametz, and not only Biur Chametz, bread, and our intended chametz, and I remember that I need to clean my closet, and I start going to the kitchen and take big trash box and start going throw it out all my trousers and throw it, and suddenly my mother come into my room and looked that all the closet was empty, and she asked why, and I very embarrassed, and I don't know what to say, and I scared a little bit, and I said, no, it was small that I throw it out. And after she paid attention that I going on with the skirt, and also start to go with skirting. Once in my event, my cousin was married, and I don't dancing because I hear about this news and it's what the house I was to be. And I don't dancing, and my mother also don't dancing. So and I asked why you don't go, and my father go, come on, you come dancing. And she say, no, my daughter don't dancing. I will dance. I will dancing. I can. And she tell me that wow, you have a lot of beautiful shinoi because of shuv. And she say, כאילו מזל ששלחתי אותך לשם. I'm very proud to study here, and I be proud to say to my people when they ask me when you study, I say be proud and shuv. I shuv you. התפילה שלנו